Hey guys, my name's Alex Ryan. Today's topic is some good products you can import and sell on Amazon. Let's get started. Welcome back everyone. So glad to have you here with us. Some good products. Think about recurring products. What products can you sell that people will keep ordering and ordering? A good colleague of mine was selling and did very well selling superfood products. So these products were like supplements, superfood supplements, teas, things like that, which require the customer to keep coming back and replenishing their sources. So they'll use up this protein powder for their muscles, big strong man. They'll replenish it and then they're gonna buy more. And where are they gonna buy? Well, they're gonna buy from you, right? So if it's a good product, of course, they'll keep rebuying. But if you sell something like, a video camera, well, you made good margins, but there's no repeat purchases. So think, what niche can you get into that will enable you to do the repeat customers, repeat purchases over and over again? And Amazon actually has a thing where there's something called the repeat billing. So they can actually sign up and they get repeat billed every month and you can ship things out. So think about that. What niche can you get into? Like supplements, you can get into protein powders, teas. I buy matcha green tea, right? Because it's very good, it's very alkalizing, a lot of antioxidants. It's got more antioxidants than blueberries and all that sort of stuff. So it's a Japanese green tea, and you put it in only a little bit, and it tastes like crap, but it's so good for your body. And you know what? When I run out of it, I buy more. All right, so it's repeat purchases. So think about that, guys. What can you sell? What can you get into, right? So also think extravagant, gifts, hampers, that kind of stuff, because it's extravagant, it's a gift. People would like to go nuts and go crazy. Oh, it's a newborn baby, or it's Father's Day, Mother's Day. They're willing to spend a little bit more money for something, so those indulging purchases, so they're very high value, very high margin. So I've also got a colleague who does that. So hopefully you enjoyed today's tips, guys. My name's Alex Ryan. If you want to find out more about hot products, visit my website. Right now you'll find out how to import from China, how to find hot products, how to select suppliers, and how to launch an Amazon online business. My name's Alex Ryan. Talk to you real soon. See you later.